today is Christina's birthday, and as such, she has elected to try to build a bookshelf using our barnwood. So we're gonna build a 43-inch by 44-inch bookshelf as she dances the jigs. These are the new birthday slippers. She is clearly enjoying them.
They're so comfortable.
What are they?
They're Kruggies.
Ah.
Here, you can zoom in on them.
Oh.
Kruggies. Yes, Instagram made me buy them, but I'm happy with them.
Very comfy.
We're gonna build a tiny bookcase over here. So it's not gonna be too deep. We're just gonna make it the depth of this, which is 10 inches. And it's gonna be like this. You can see my little crude drawing with tape. Very exciting. And then it's gonna have a piece that goes across like this, and like one on the bottom, probably like the half of the width of this. And then we'll have shelves. It's gonna be great. Happy birthday to me. What do we say?
44.
Oh, good. That's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
Let's see which ones you like the best. Yeah, we're gonna Kreg Jig this all together, so we're gonna bring these outside.
What we're using here is the Kreg Jig, and this remarkable little device allows you to drill something called pocket holes, which are kind of like oblique holes into a board that kind of run at a slight angle. So if here's the end of the board, and here's the rest of the board here, and it ends. It guides you through drilling a hole, not quite all the way through, and enables you to embed a screw into this diagonal hole and attach it and fix something. It's a way of binding something together or joining for furniture making. And it does so because it's on the back, it's completely hidden, but it's this neat way to be able to join things together. Plastic came out.
That was great.
Now, what we've done here is we neglected to set the appropriate width. So this is where you set for the width of the board. We had it set too small, and we drilled through and hit some plastic. Whoops. It's been a while since we used it. That's our excuse. But you have to set that correctly for sure.
Board thickness. Is it an inch? See, you should have watched our video. That's what you get.
How thick this is.
Yeah, board thickness. These are good. Okay, great. Better?
This is another fine example of Cristina doing some awesome research. We found this last year when we were trying to figure out how to rebuild our staircase. She researched and found something cool called the Kreg Jig, and we went out and bought it, and it totally helped us build our stairs. It enabled us to drill all these pocket holes into a part of the board that nobody was ever going to be able to see because it was going to be in a closet, and enabled us to build our stairs, and then to also reattach some of the barn wall that we're using to surround our mudroom that we're going to try to build in our main cabin room. And now we're using it for this, and we're also going to use it in the near future to build our kitchen. We're going to build out our own kitchen stationary cabinets and some shelving. So it's really, really handy. It's a great tool to have. Highly recommend. That little crank thing.
Yeah. Okay. Mango's back. Mango's back. So you can't keep a good cat down. I will be part of this project.
I will get back inside.
These boots are taking up my sunny spot. Okay. So these are over here. Good? Want to stand up?
Yep.
Is it too heavy now?
Substantial.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Towards me.
That's perfect.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay, we pick it back up again.
All right.
Woo!
Solid piece.
Yeah. Looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Getting there.
All right, now we just need some shelves.
Yep. We said below the knot, right?
Yep.
So 43 3/4 plus, but I think it's gonna be 43 3/4.
Okay.
Kreg Jig hole. Woo! And the crowd goes wild. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Okay, unclip. Installation.
All right.
Yes, finally. Done. And there's a book on
All right.
there. Yay! Ready? So cool. Oh my god, that's so cool. I love it.
Me too.
What do you think?
I think it's great.
I want it.